It was an interesting night for the ballot questions as well. So with that, let's check in with Christiane Klein, who was tracking some of those results, and a lot of money spent on those ballot questions.
Certainly was, actually, Patrick. Last night, all questions on the ballot passed, with one exception, the most controversial one, question 3. Now, question 1, known as Marsy's Law, creates new constitutional rights for crime victims in Nevada. It passed with more than 579,000 for and 367,000 against. Question 2 is the pink tax, which would make feminine hygiene products exempt from state and local sales tax. That also passed with about a 56% majority. Question 3, this is the big one, the Energy Choice Initiatives. That had more money spent on it than any ballot initiative in state history. And those against had a good night. Voters made their voices heard on this issue, with 644,000 against it compared to nearly 316,000 for it. The Medical Patient Tax Relief Act is question 4. It would exclude oxygen tanks and mobility devices from state-imposed sales taxes. That passed with a 67% voter majority. Question 5, that's the Motor Voter Initiative at the DMV, automatically registering an eligible person to vote or update their existing Nevada voter registration when they get a license or ID card. That passed with a 60% voter margin of support. And ballot question 6 would amend the state constitution to make the renewable energy portfolio stand at not less than 50% by the year 2030. That also passed with nearly 60% of the vote. And while it didn't get as much attention as question 3, that motor voter law may have the most lasting impact of all the questions last night, making it easier for people to register to vote. And ease of voting historically favors Democrats, which could turn Nevada even more blue than purple. And remember, 8 News Now is your local election headquarters when we're not on the air. You can find us online at LasVegasNow.com. We have posted links to all of the results there, as well as reaction from candidates and analysis from our political experts. Denise and Brian, back to you.